Hey everyone, are you looking for the perfect chocolatey treat? Have you ever tried G Butter or thought of G Butter? So we do have this at Strong Pour and Wellness District. Super good stuff. It's supposed to be a spread, but it doesn't taste the best when put on like low carb bread or tortilla. And so what we do with the G Butter, and this happens to be the peanut butter cup variety, is put a serving size, which is 2 tablespoons, into a little ramekin. You can put it on a plate, whatever you want to do with it, and then you just pop it in your microwave for approximately 30 seconds. When it's all said and done, it comes out, and it's in the microwave right now. It comes out and it's going to be like this little awesome cake, brownie type like consistency. You can top it with a little bit of low carb ice cream that we have at the clinic, or some whipped cream, sprinkle a little nuts on the top, maybe drizzle a little melted peanut butter on the top, and you've got this awesome, really good, really tasty treat. I'll show you what it looks like here. All it took was 30 seconds in the microwave, and then we've got this awesome brownie-like consistency. We have a variety of flavors: brownie, this was the peanut butter cup, chocolate chip, red velvet cake, birthday cake, amongst another, and I'll make sure that they post a picture along with this video. Hope you're all having a good day. Stay tuned tonight for tonight's supper video. We'll see you soon. Bye.